Welcome to the video WAGO Lighting Management. Failure detection. I want to show you how we can detect the failure and show it at the cabinet. Let's take a look to the hardware. We have here the application controller, a digital input and a digital output module where the red lamp is connected to show you a detected failure. Let's start with the application. I have to type in the IP address in the address line. Please use HTTPS. The HTTP port is deactivated for security reasons. Now I have to log in with my username admin and the password is WAGO. The application starts within the view function. I will now go to the outputs and I will use a digital output, the second one, to show you a detected failure. I have prepared a failure. I have disconnected the DALI lamps from the DALI bus and I will change now the functionality from switching to fault DALI, and now you see the red lamp is blinking, so that is a detected failure. You can see the failure also in the application, therefore I have to log out, and on the start page you can find collective fault, and here you see we have a DALI failure. To acknowledge this failure I can use a digital input, therefore I have to log in again. Admin WAGO, inputs, and here you can use a digital input to acknowledge the failure. Button type acknowledge. And when the failure is gone, the lamp will be switched off automatically.